What would be the contraindication for CBD insertion? Hmm?
Traumatic pelvic.
Yes. Pelvic trauma. Why pelvic trauma is contraindication? Pelvic fracture. Pelvic fracture, pelvic trauma, yes. Why? Why it's contraindication? You know, if when you see the patient, either from the history, patient has pulled down, okay, in his perineum, like bicycle or something, or during examination, the perineum with hematoma or bruising, so you suspect patient has pelvic injury and pelvic fracture. Okay, why is contraindicated? Contraindication? Because we suspect with perineal injury and pelvic fracture, we suspect partial injury to the urethra, partial rupture of the urethra. This is the urethra, so partial ruptures be like this. And you still have some connection, but if you insert the CBD, you'll do complete rupture, or it will go to the wrong passage. Okay, complete rupture of the urethra. So what's in that condition? What is the alternative? If you suspect there is failure, suprapubic catheterization. Have to do suprapubic. So for suprapubic catheterization indicated in case of contraindication or in case of failure. But if you do CBD many times failure, then you have to do suprapubic catheterization. The other contraindication is the recent surgery for the urethra, which is patient has repair of the urethra or something, so can't insert. The alternative, actually, we have to refer patient to urology after we do the suprapubic. Urology, they will do cystoscope. Right? So during the cystoscope, they can visualize the urethra and they can insert stenting, okay, guide wire. Okay, insert guide wire inside, and then they insert the catheter through the guide wire. So we will not have wrong passage, okay, through the guide wire, but with the cystoscope. This is how we solve the problem of the pelvic fracture. Okay, so pelvic fracture. Any other contraindication?
History of stricture.
Stricture. Patient has stricture of the urethra. Because this one we need dilatation also under urologist. Complication of CBD insertion?
Injury, urethral injury,
Urethral injury is a common complication.
UTI.
It can be source of UTI. That's why you cannot keep for a long time. Anything else? Chronic irritation of the urinary bladder. Chronic irritation of urinary bladder. What's the problem with the chronic irritation of urinary bladder? Dwelling catheter. Some patients they have catheter, for a few months. Maybe sometime in ICU or incontinence. They have catheter for a long time. Dwelling catheter. What's the problem with chronic irritation of urinary bladder? Have the risk of transformation into malignancy, transitional cell carcinoma. Or squamous cell carcinoma of the bladder as the result of the chronic irritation of the urinary bladder. Okay, so chronic irritation of your bladder, injury of the urethra, and infection. This can be the complication of CBD. Okay, any question? Yes, next.